Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a coin on MetaMask. First, you'll need to connect your wallet to a decentralized exchange. Make sure you have sufficient funds, like Ethereum or BNB, to cover both the coin purchase and any associated network fees. Then, you'll select the specific coin you wish to acquire and the amount you want to swap. Always double-check all the transaction details before proceeding to ensure everything is correct. Before buying any coin, your MetaMask wallet needs to be funded. You can transfer supported cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum or Polygon, directly to your wallet's public address. Alternatively, purchase crypto on a centralized exchange and then send it over. It's crucial to ensure the network you are using, like Ethereum Mainnet or Binance Smart Chain, matches to prevent any loss of funds. Always confirm your wallet balance shows the correct amount. Now, let's use a decentralized exchange, or DEX, for your swap. Navigate to a well-known platform such as Uniswap or PancakeSwap. Once there, you'll connect your MetaMask wallet to the exchange. This usually involves a simple click of a Connect Wallet button. Next, you'll choose the cryptocurrency you currently hold that you wish to swap from, and then select the new coin you are aiming to acquire. Finally, it's time to confirm your coin swap. Carefully review all the transaction details, including the exchange rate and the slippage tolerance. If your transaction consistently fails, you might need to slightly adjust the slippage percentage. Once satisfied, approve the transaction within your MetaMask wallet. After approval, the transaction will be processed on the blockchain, and your new coin should appear in your wallet within a few moments.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.